Welcome to a Disney point of view ride experience from the Magic Travel Guide. Today we check out Frozen Ever After, located in World Showcase at Walt Disney World's Epcot, where guests will voyage to Arendelle aboard an ancient Nordic vessel as they take a musical tour of the wintry world of Frozen.
Should be a real hoot and a half, yeah?
Let it go all over again. Find a seat aboard your boat and let the lapping waters take you through a frozen willow forest. Soon you'll be rubbing shoulders with some boulders, a.k.a. Kristoff's family from Troll Valley before bracing for the cold. High up in the icy blue world of the North Mountain, Queen Elsa's enchanting ice palace awaits. Behold the wonder, and keep an eye out for Anna, Olaf, and a few more frozen friends. This enchanting summer snow day celebration, complete with many of your favorite Frozen tunes, is sure to melt even the coldest hearts.
Come on, let's go and play. Elsa wants to give us all some fun. She's making everyone a snowy summer day. You're going to Elsa's ice palace and Spencer and I'll go. It'll be so beautiful. See you there.
Very much like today, Anna failed to assist in an unselfish act of true love and born of frozen heart.
And now they're best friends.
just make sense.
Winter's a good time to stay in. Happy snowman?
Exactly.
Connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, and themagictravelguy.com.